Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Confirm your Samsung tablet model and Android version so you get compatible live wallpapers. Once done, open Settings and go to Wallpapers or Home Screen to begin. This avoids mismatched formats. If you plan to sideload, enable the specific app permission for installs. Do not leave unknown sources on permanently. Make sure your battery is above 20% and you're on Wi-Fi to prevent interruptions while downloading You now download and apply the chosen live wallpaper. Open Google Play or Galaxy Store, pick a well-rated live wallpaper app and install it. This ensures safety and updates. Once installed, launch the app, select the animation and tap Set or Apply, choose Home or Lock Screen, or both. Make sure to preview and tweak performance settings like frame rate or battery saving so the wallpaper looks good without draining your battery. This balances visuals versus power usage. You finish by confirming the live wallpaper persists and behaves. Reboot your tablet to verify it stays active and enable App Auto Start or protected apps if Samsung's Power Manager stopped it. If you notice lag, lower the FPS or disable particle effects. This reduces CPU and battery use. If the wallpaper won't apply, clear the app cache, grant overlay and storage permissions, then reinstall. As one troubleshooting tip, temporarily disable battery optimization for the wallpaper app to prevent
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.